Good morning. So often when you're running Moodle, when you're trying to install Moodle or do some updates, you will run into this error that will say PHP setting max input vars must be set to 5000. And the videos that I've seen on YouTube talk about changing the htaccess file. So they will send me to the htaccess file, and then they will say that I must make sure that this value is set to 5000 from here. But if I do it this way, I still encounter that error, even though I have set that to 5000. But the way that I have found to work for cPanel, instead of going to the htaccess, and you then go to your cPanel, and under cPanel you will navigate to all the way to PHP any editor, and from here you will select the domain, and from the domain you will then come to max input vars. You will select that and change that to 5000, and you apply. You come back to your installation, you reload, and you will see that that error will be gone. All right, thank you.